Crispy duck is an absolute favourite of ours. We always get it when we go out for a Chinese. I'm going to show you the easiest way to make it at home. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious family-friendly recipes in your own home. Today I'm making crispy duck with a spicy plum sauce, and we start by preheating the oven to 150C or 300F, and then we prepare the duck. I've got a whole duck here, which is about 2.4 kilos or 5.3 pounds, and I'm going to pat the duck down with some kitchen paper to ensure the skin is dry. Next, we want to score the skin of the duck in a criss-cross pattern on the breast side using a sharp knife, but be sure not to pierce the flesh. Place the duck breast side up on a rack in a roasting tin, then season with half a teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. Place the duck in the oven for 3 hours and 30 minutes, turning over every hour. This helps to distribute the fat within the duck so it's nice and juicy with really crisp skin. Whilst the duck's in the oven, we're going to make the plum sriracha sauce. So we're going to heat a tablespoon of vegetable oil in a medium-sized saucepan. Add a diced red onion and cook on a low to medium heat for 5 minutes until the onion softens. Then add a teaspoon of minced ginger and 4 minced cloves of garlic and cook for a further minute. Now we're going to add in 600 grams or about 8 or 9 ripe plums that have been de-stoned and cut into small pieces. There's no need to take the skin off. Then we'll add 6 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar and 4 tablespoons of Sriracha. Turn up the heat and bring to a gentle bubble. Once it's bubbling, turn the heat back down to medium and allow everything to simmer gently for 20 minutes. Give it a stir every so often. After 20 minutes, take the pan off the heat and blend the mixture using a stick blender. After the duck has cooked for 3 hours and 30 minutes, take it out of the oven and turn the oven temperature up to 190C or 375F. Brush 2 tablespoons of the plum Sriracha sauce all over the top on the breast side of the duck. And place back in the oven for 10 minutes until the glaze has gone dark brown and caramelised. Take the duck out of the oven, leave to rest for 10 minutes, then place on a large plate and shred all the meat using 2 forks. We're going to be serving that crispy shredded duck with my homemade plum Sriracha sauce, plus some little strips of spring onions or scallions, strips of cucumber, and some Chinese pancakes that you can pick up from most supermarkets. It's going to be so satisfying.
So good.